Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can get a good view of our panoramic roof.